Typical sa isang cubicle sa opisina ang lamesa, upuan, telepono at laptop. Pero alam nyo ba na may mga opisina sa Maynila na aaklain yung isang boxing ring, arcade at pati na rin art gallery? Una nating bibisitahin ang opisina ng Procter & Gamble Company o mas kilala sa tawag na P&G sa Makati. Meron silang kakaibang tema sa kanilang mga conference rooms, gaya ng badminton room at rejuvenation room.
Bakit nyo po naisip na magkaroon ng mga ganitong klaseng kwarto sa opisina nyo?
One of the key priorities of Procter & Gamble is to focus on employee work-life effectiveness. And what we found is when we focused on the interests of the employees and by nurturing and enabling their passions while in the workplace, we're able to have employees be motivated to give their best in the workplace also. Work-life effectiveness is really on having employees have a diverse range of interests. And when they're passionate about their other interests apart from work, it helps drive them to give more effort, more creativity, and even a different mindset almost when they invest their time and energy in the workplace.
Ano po masasabi ng mga empleyado ng P&G sa mga kwarto nyo?
They love it.
Sa mga health buff naman nilang empleyado, bagay sila sa runner's room.
Dito sa P&G offices, pwede kang gumamit ng treadmill habang nag-meeting.
I love the running room. I'm a runner myself. I like that you're able to do your maintenance run and your workout while listening to the training.
Kung gusto naman ng mga empleyadong maglabas ng stress, abay pwedeng-pwede sila sa boxing room.
In every company, we know that there is a certain level of stress that really can't be avoided. So instead of just avoiding the problem of stress, we enable employees to have a venue for them to vent the stress in a fun and an energetic way also. It's also very engaging for the very young population that we have here in P&G. The last time I was in the boxing room, I actually did an orientation for our summer interns.
Matapos sa P&G office, ang susunod nating puntahan ay ang Geiser Maclang Marketing Communications Office.
Hi Jason, how are
Hello.
you? Hello, welcome to our office, Geiser Maclang.
Sa unang tingin, ang lugar na ito ay mukhang art gallery. Pero kung titignan nyo sa aking kaliwa, makikita nyo ang mga empleyado. Dahil maniwala kayo sa hindi, ang lugar na ito ay isang PR and marketing company.
Tinatawag nilang Reimaginarium ang exhibit na ito sa loob ng kanilang opisina. Sa katunayan, meron pa silang curator.
I feel like art should not be constrained in traditional spaces like museums. I feel that it should be something that you can reach out, see, interact with, and given that we're working in a creative environment, marketing, communications, I felt like it was just something that we owe to our team members to put them in a vibrant scenario. For one thing, it marries for us two things that we're very passionate about. Number one is we wanted to find a way to bring together the brands that we represent and also at the same time the support for the arts. We challenged the idea of space. Space meaning art is usually something that you'd see in a museum, but this time around what we did was we featured artworks in billboards. So it was a statement for environmentalism. At that time, we were working with the Billboard Association of the Philippines, and they very willingly supported the idea of carrying art so that it could be more accessible for people.
Nadadagdagan ba yung productivity and creativity ng mga empleyado dahil maraming artwork sa paligid nyo?
I would think so. In terms of creativity, I would say that a lot of the ones that especially work in the creative side of the business get more inspiration with their work through the art pieces that are here in the office.
This is the Cotillion series of books.
Ago pansin din dito ang malaking painting ni Jose Ruiz na nagpapakita pa ng mukha ng isang sikat na artista.
The artwork by Bogie Ruiz. What he does is he actually brings out the faces of pop celebrities. So from Vilma Santos, Nora Honor. In the case of My Cotillion behind you, it's Sharon Cuneta. It used to be when you think artworks, you think museums. But if you go to more progressive artistic cities like Barcelona or New York, Art is everywhere. How do we make the art come to the people and not have the people come to the art?
Ako si Jason Dumantay ng Yahoo Southeast Asia.